Hey, I'm thrilled you're here. If you've ever dreamt of crafting stunningly detailed, lifelike artwork in Illustrator, the Gradient Mesh tool is your ticket to a whole new level of creativity. It's a magical tool that seamlessly blends colors, infusing your designs with smooth shading and depth. Whether you're into portraits, product illustrations, or intricate digital art, mastering the Gradient Mesh will open up a world of possibilities for your work. Now, let's install Illustrator. If you don't have it yet, there's a link in the description that will take you directly to Adobe's official site. This ensures you get the latest version safely. Once you follow the link, here's what to do next. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a minute to set up. Find Illustrator in the list of apps and select Free Trial to start the download. Download and install Adobe Creative Cloud. This will manage the installation for you. Once it's installed, launch Illustrator and you're ready to go. Now that Illustrator is up and running, let's talk about how to use the Gradient Mesh tool to create lifelike shading and color transitions in your artwork. How to use the Gradient Mesh tool in Illustrator. The Gradient Mesh tool, a powerful feature in Illustrator, is perfect for adding depth and realism by smoothly blending colors across an object. It allows you to create lifelike shading and color transitions, enhancing the realism of your artwork. Here's how you can use it. Open Illustrator and create or import a shape to which you want to apply shading. Select the shape and go to Object. Create Gradient Mesh. This will divide your shape into a grid of anchor points. You can adjust the rows and columns based on the amount of detail you need. More divisions give you smoother color blending. Use the Direct Selection tool, A, to click on individual mesh points and apply different colors to create realistic shading. Experiment with different tones and highlights to add depth, light reflections, and smooth gradients across your design. If you need more control, manually add mesh points using the Mesh tool U and tweak the curves as needed. With some practice, you can create hyper-realistic illustrations that look almost like paintings, all within Illustrator. If you haven't downloaded Illustrator yet, click the link in the description to get it now. That way you can access all the latest tools, including the Gradient Mesh feature. If you know someone who's eager to enhance their Illustrator skills, be a hero and share this video with them. They'll thank you for the valuable tip, and it might be the key to unlocking their untapped creative potential. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with Gradient Mesh, and I'll see you at the next one.